Go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Have your seat.
Thank you, Miss.
My name is Savannah Artila. I am the CEO of this company.
My name is Nabila Febrianti. It's nice to meet you, Miss.
How are you doing, Nabila?
Yes, I am good, Miss.
Okay, Nabila, tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. To introduce myself, my name is Nabila Febrianti. I am basically from Sukabumi, but I stay in Bogor. I am Nusa Putra graduate now. I am pursuing MBA from Harvard University. I have 2 years experience in human resources. My hobby is reading books, cooking, listening to music, and traveling.
What is your stage?
My strengths are I am a honest, self-motivated, and hardworking. I am confident about my work.
What is your weakness?
My weakness is I will not feel comfortable if I am not completing the work within the given time.
What are your career goals?
My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I can utilize my skill and improve my career path. My long-term goal is to be in a respectable position in that organization.
Are you married or unmarried?
Unmarried.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
After 5 years, I would like to see my good position.
Okay, thank you, Nabila.